Biology, the scientific study of life. Bipedalism, our anthropoid ancestors of 30 to 35 million years ago were still tree dwellers, but they about 10 million years ago, the Himalayan mountain range had formed thrust up in the aftermath of the Indian plates collision with the Asian plate. The climate became drier, and the forests of what are now Africa and Asia contracted. The result was an increased area of savanna grassland habitat with fewer trees. For decades, paleoanthropologists have seen a strong connection between the rise of savannas and the rise of bipedal hominids. According to one hypothesis, tree-dwelling hominids could no longer move through the canopy, so natural selection favored adaptations that made moving over open ground more efficient. Although some elements of this hypothesis survive, the picture now appears somewhat more complex. Although all recently discovered fossils of early hominids show some indication of bipedalism, none of these hominids lived in savannas. Instead, they lived in mixed habitats ranging from forests to open woodlands. Whatever the selective pressure that led to bipedalism, furthermore, hominids did not become more bipedal in simple linear fashion. Australopiths seem to have had various locomotor styles, and some spent more time on the ground than others. Only about 1.9 million years ago, um, did hominids begin to walk long distances on two legs. These hominids lived in more arid environments, whereby pedal walking requires less energy than walking on all fours. Tool use. The manufacture and use of complex tools is a derived behavioral character of humans. Determination or determining the origin of tool use. The hominid evolution is one of paleoanthropology great challenges today. Other hominids are capable of surprisingly sophisticated tool use. Orangutans, for example, can fashion props from sticks for retrieving insects from their nests. Chimpanzees are even more adapt using rocks to smash open food and putting leaves on their feet to walk over thorns. It's likely that early hominids were capable of this sort of simple tool use, uh, finding fossils of modifying sticks like leaves.